It is like floating on the water. I opened up, and this is how it is. And I'm going to open some more again. I put a blue cloth inside there, but I couldn't go out and buy white cloth. You should put white one. Will look much better, but I cannot go out and go and buy. You can put pencils, razors or anything. I put samples, scissors, all that, to show what you can put in. I put the string there to tie it so it will hold the case. So I can open up like that. See the back part. So I can put all my things inside there, see? You can put pencils, erasers, color pencils. So then that's the head will hold the case. And my daughter says it looks like strangling the turtle, so I have to get another idea. I did a different way. I do chains and then put around the neck of the turtle, around on top. Look, so you just have to go around that, around the legs, so it doesn't look like strangling of the turtle. There. This way is better. Now to start doing Christmas things.